investors, my name is Darlington, your reliable real estate partner. Today I want to bring you site updates on Lekki Avana Phase 1, the popular Lagos bungalow that was sold out within 18 days last year. So we are preparing for allocation. So you can see the site is ready. The bungalow units are ready. Everywhere is sparkling, painted. The facilities, utility facilities are ready. At this point, we are the automated security system. You can't access this place without, being granted access. So tomorrow is going to be the allocation. So we are getting everything set. You can see people are coming around, subscribers, cars. People want to come and see how far their houses have gone. So we are getting set. So when you are doing business with us, you are rest assured that you are getting value for your money. Thank you. Same with that light will be connected. Apart from solar that can be installed, you can see the transformer have been mounted. This transformer is going to serve over 300 units of bungalows we have here. So the transformer have been installed. Comforts of residents, you can see the swimming pool is already. The smaller one, the major swimming pool is ready. So let's see the recreational facilities. We have a football pitch, a basketball pitch. So everything is getting set. All the whole facilities, the garden is springing up. So here is our football pitch for your physical fitness, exercise. They say work without play makes Jack a dull boy. So this is for residents. We have other facilities. You can see the water tank. The water tank has been installed. This is a very big reservoir. We have over how many units of reservoir here? We have the overhead tank, and you can see the other one there on the ground. So when we are building projects, we put into consideration your comfort, the comfort of your family, to make your living experience, suitable for 21st century life experience. So you can see that Zealous is all about putting the comfort of residents, investors, and if you acquire property here for commercial activities like short let or rental purposes, you can rest assured that you will recover your investment, because places like this have high rental value. So if you are looking for something like this, you can get in touch with me with the number around this video. Thank you.